Alright everyone, so I'm showing you how to cut your potatoes for your homemade potato wedges. We're going to cut in half. Once we cut in half, we cut our potato wedges in half again. If it's too big, you just simply go down the line and you slice it in half. Now once we get all our potatoes cut up the way we want them to be, we're going to rinse them 3 or 4 times in cold water using our colander. Once we've rinsed our potatoes 3 or 4 times in cold water, scrubbing them with our hands side by side. Once we've done that, what we'll do is rinse them, drain them in our colander, and then after that, we'll take some paper towels and towel dry our potatoes, okay? And be careful when using this. If you have this type of knife or a sharp knife, just be very careful. You just simply want to take your potatoes, just like you see a hole in here, cut it in half, flip them over if it's too big, go down the center where the line is, and you just simply cut them in half again. Simply where that line is, right down in half, you just simply cut them like that. Okay, we're going to make us some homemade potato wedges. Okay? Alright, now the next step I'm going to show you is me showing you how to rinse your potatoes. Okay? Hey everyone, it's your girl Angela. So we're gonna make us a little snack, okay? And you know what we're about to make us? We're about to make us some homemade potato wedges. Honey, y'all come on over here. Cousin Angie got a treat for you, honey. We got our oil nice and hot, honey. Come on over here. Mama got the potatoes nicely cleaned and cut. Let's get started. Okay. So here we go. So we got our russet gold potatoes, and these are the Kroger brand. They've been washed 3 times, and I've cut them in half and then cut them again in quarters. I towel dried them with some paper towels. So now we're gonna put our black pepper on here. So we have some ground black pepper. Honey, you ain't gotta go to the restaurant and buy you some. Cousin Angie got y'all hooked up right here, honey. We're gonna make us some potato wedges, homemade, honey. Put you some ground black pepper in here. Y'all know I don't like the black pepper. Well, we got to season it, honey. All right, cool. So then we got us some garlic powder. Gives it a nice flavor to it. Very good flavor. Yes, Lord. All right, then we got us some onion powder. Y'all know I'm the onion powder lady. Okay, got that going. I want to make sure we distribute it evenly throughout the potatoes. Can't even get my words out, honey. Get us a little bit of seasoning salt, just a little. Okay, then I have my special house blend season mix, honey. We gonna get that all up in there. Now, if y'all want to learn more about my house blend seasoning mix, y'all have to email me. Go to my about section on my YouTube page, and you can email me, and I can tell you how to purchase it. Okay, and I'll get it straight to your doorsteps. I'll send it straight to you. Okay. So see, we got that evenly distributed. You don't have no water. You want to make sure you got these nicely dry with paper towels, making sure, because you don't want water to hit that hot grease and have a house fire, honey. Get all up in there. Season these potatoes just right. Okay, you want to make sure you got that good flavor up in there. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. This house blend seasoning mix right here, honey, you can use these on ribs, honey. You can use them any way you desire to use them, honey. It's good on meats, potatoes, honey. Bam, brings that flavor right on out to you. Trust me when I say this is the house blend seasoning mix you want right here. This is what you want. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna stir it around. Just keep stirring around. They're nicely coated. Smells so good. You can smell like the lemony citrus flavor. These gonna have so much good flavor to them. Okay, so here we go. Now that we mixed it really well, you don't have to worry about flouring them, honey. This stuff about to hit that oil. Okay, so here we go. Mama gonna put them in here just like that. Y'all hear that oil? That oil nicely hot. These about to be good, baby. And the good thing about these is if you have some left over, you can wake up the next morning and put them back in some hot oil, honey. They crisp right back up and they be so doggone good, honey. Yes, Lord. You can have these for breakfast. You can eat these with any type of meal you want to eat them with, really. You ain't got to wait for no special meal. You ain't got to go around the corner, no KFC, no nobody. You make your own potato wedges right on at home, honey. Cousin Angie got y'all. These things are nicely seasoned. They smell so good. You can smell that fresh garlic powder. You can smell this house blend seasoning mix. It's got a little bit of a citrus lime flavor to it. Jesus have mercy. Honey, you can smell all that goodness up in here. These are going to be so good. My family love these. We demolish them so quickly. So quickly. I'm like, why are we calling DoorDash when we can make our own? I ain't about to spend my money. Trust me, honey. Save you some money, honey. Y'all go down to the store. All the ingredients, everything you need. Don't take but 3 minutes to cook these. Don't take but 3 minutes. They go down slowly in this oil. Okay, we gotta go slow with this basket. Gotta go real slow down in this basket. Okay, everyone, so our potato wedges are done. I'm pulling them up out the oil. Now, usually what I do when my potato wedges are done and I put them here to drain, I have a nice piece of, you know, my favorite foil, one of those wrapped nonstick foil. So what I like to do is once they come up, I add a little sea salt to them, okay? Honey, let me tell you, these bad boys so doggone good, honey. Oh, wait, for the one time, honey, mama ain't playing with y'all. These things so crispy and good, and like I said, you can warm them up for breakfast the next morning, honey. Turn on your oil and just put them in there, honey. They're crisp right back up. You can put them in your microwave if you want to. Just put just a little bit of oil, or put them back in your deep fryer. We'll put the link below to where you can buy this Hamilton Beach deep fryer, and it will be below the video with the full descriptions of everything you need, okay, to make your homemade potato wedges. You're going to love them, honey. You'll save your money. You won't have to go around the corner to KFC to buy you no doggone potato wedges. Ain't got time, honey. We can save our money right at home. Our Southern Comfort Dishes homemade potato wedges. Come on, potatoes. All right, we're just about done here. They smell so good too. Nice and crispy. Potato wedges ain't trying to come out this basket, honey. All right. So like I said, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sea salt. All right, cool beans. All right, let mama get her picture. Y'all give me one moment. I'm sorry. Appreciate you all. I hope that you all like this video. I hope that everyone enjoys this video. Hope you enjoy these potatoes, these homemade potato wedges, honey. They're so hot. Full of flavor. These are full of flavor. From my kitchen to yours. I'm sorry with this camera, honey. From my kitchen to yours, happy cooking. Please share this video and leave me a thumbs up below the video. Thank you. Have a good night.